What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve FPV and today we're going to be talking about the Dji Avata. This is a replacement unit. I love this drone. It has been my daily driver to learn how to fly, learn how to fly FPV particularly. It's a sturdy little drone. This drone can take a beating. I have been crashing it against walls, concrete, snow, grass. Like the first time I crashed, I was so scared to break it. It's like I probably crashed it within the first day. But whatever material they use here, it's super strong. Eventually, like everything else, everything breaks down. So I had to send it back to DJI for replacement unit. Care refresh is only $29 for replacement unit, which I think is a very good deal. Plus the initial cost. I will post it up right here. But here's my issue. So I received the new drone. I took it out for a test flight and something happened that I never heard of. I looked it up on YouTube. I looked it up online. My telemetry is freezing up at some point throughout the flight. It doesn't matter where the battery stands, and I don't know if it's because it's really cold outside. I'm here in Canada. We're probably like close to 0, -1, -2. Sometimes we go up to -10. So I'm not sure. But before I take off, the battery is nice and warm. It's in my car with the heat on, and I fly from my car. Also, I have tried different modes: normal, sport, and manual. It keeps freezing up. So I'm gonna send it back to DJI and they're gonna look at it and maybe they're gonna send me a new one or fix it. I am not sure, but it's a real bummer because I'm gonna be out of drone. The FPV is broken. Long story short, I was getting a little bit too confident and I crashed it. Now the Avata is defective, so he has to go back. I called DJI and they asked me to, as a fix, to try to fix it, they asked me to upgrade to the latest firmware. As I am located in Canada, it is absolutely fine to upgrade. You don't have to deal with remote ID. I was flying without my phone attached to my goggle, and then you get the new feature, 10-bit color, 30 frames a second, and there is like a safety feature in case your drone is tumbling. It will recover and you'll be good to go. So telemetry is freezing up, which means recording time, battery time, transmission bars, how many megabits per second, and also flight time. Everything is freezing up. If anyone has heard or I've seen this malfunction, please comment below. I would love to learn about it and where does it come from and what's the issue. But the video feed keeps working. It's a perfect video feed. It's beautiful. But it's too dangerous to fly because I thought I was at 50% battery level, and in fact, after restarting the drone, I was at about 23, so very dangerous situation. Luckily, I caught it before the drone crash. Yeah. But yeah, that's my update on the DJI Avata. Nonetheless, I love flying it. It's an awesome little drone. It's sturdy, and like I said, it's been my daily driver. Anyway, guys, I won't see you until after Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and happy flying. Cheers.